Hello everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda, and today I have got a yarn haul from Hobbii, and I've also bought some stitch markers from Daniel, Paw Ply Yarns, and all the proceeds go to charity. So I bought a couple, and so I know Daniel's made over £500 towards charity with his stitch markers. So what I'll do is I'll leave the link to his YouTube channel, and you can go over and maybe see what he's got. And I'll also put the link to his website. I also know Daniel's got some new yarn coming on the 22nd of November. So keep your eye out for that. So let me just get my scissors. Let's see what stitch markers I got. Have to excuse me. Hope everybody's well. And that. They come with the little paw prints, and got a nice little thank you for your order. I hope you love it. So that's really nice. Thank you, Daniel. And let's see what I've got in here. Let's see what I've got. Oh, look. I've got paw prints. You know I'm a cat lover, so I've got paw prints. There we go. So they're them. Aren't they gorgeous? One's red and glittery and the other one's black glittery. I hope you can see the glitter. Can you see the glitter? So that's one set. And let's see what I've got in the other one. I know I've got paw prints. Two lots of paw prints, because obviously I'm a cat lover. Oh, I've got orange and then black, and let me see, let me put them on my hand so you can see. So I got treated myself to 4 new stitch markers, which I was really happy to do because I know the proceeds went to charity. So I've got a nice big bag of oh dear, there's a hole in it. I've only just seen that. So let me just see what I've got. Okay, I've seen quite a few people using this yarn. Sorry, my hair's getting, I've got it, and isn't that beautiful? This is called Carnival, and it's 100% acrylic actually, and it's really nice and soft and squishy, and as Crystal from Bag a Day said, it's scarfable, and it is 100% acrylic poly acrylic, and there's 100 grams, 262 yards, 240 meters, 4 to 4.5 millimeter knitting needle, and the same for a hook. It's a 3-weight, 30-degree wash. Don't iron, don't dry clean, don't bleach, and you can dry clean it. And it's designed in Denmark but made with love in Turkey, and that's that. So I got 1, 2, I got 3 of those. They are nice, and the colour is number 12, so I got them. Oh no, I got 4 of them. Or did I get 5? I tell a lie, guys. I got 5, but I always like the black and grey and magenta. It's not pink, it's magenta. So I've got 5 of those. Then I got some of the Cotton Kings Sultan Deluxe. This is so soft and greys. I'm really into the greys and neutral colours at the moment. I really like them colours. Excuse me. Woo, nearly dropped it. And this is colour number 5. It was made in Turkey. It's a 2-weight. As you can see, it's a 2-weight yarn. 250 grams, 1,000 meters and 1,093 yards. A 2.5 to a 3.5 knitting needle and a 3.5 to a 4mm crochet hook. 30 degrees wash. Don't iron, don't bleach, don't dry, don't put in the tumble dryer. And it is 100% cotton. I like that, really like. So you've got, it starts with the charcoal grey, and then it's like a blue, like a periwinkle, I would say. And then it goes on the blues, mixes in with the grey, and then a deeper grey, and then it goes to the grey. So really like that, really like that. So that's that. And oh, I got some more of the Cascade. Did you get more of the Cascade? Yes, I did. Carnival, not Cascade, Carnival. I really like this yarn. Really do like this yarn. And this is colour number 14, and it's the same specs for this one as it is for this one. So I really like it. It reminds me of the greens, and that remind me of peacocks. So I've got 5 of them. I really like that. Not decided what I'm doing yet with them, but I really, really like them. So I've got 5 of them. And I'm a member of Hobbii. So I got some, you know, I'm doing the Sock It To Me challenge with Kim from Crochet Knits, and next year Kim and I are going to be doing a pair of socks a month for the whole of 2022. So I got some of the sock yarn, and if you can see, it shows you how it works up. And this is colour F for Foxtrot, V for Victor, 01. And it's got the OTEC Confidence in Textiles Award logo. It is manufactured for Mayflower by Denmark, and it is sock yarn Jupiter, 75% wool, 25% nylon. There's 50 grams, 210 meters, 229 yards, 40 degree wash. Don't iron, don't dry clean, don't bleach. Needle size is 2.5 to 3mm. The hook size is 2.5 to 3mm, and there are 50 grams, as I said. So I've got 2 of them. And then with being in the groove. Oh, what did I get? Oh, yay! I got some freebies. So let me just see. So see, it appears that all my everything's here. So with being in the club, I was able to use my points. So I got them as a freebie. I've been after some of them. I got a little pack of gummy bears, and these Hobbii cherry sweets. They're gorgeous. So I got them as freebies. And with being in the club, I got this yarn. It's like a bluey grey. Let me see if I can see what the let me see. It's a Kremke Soul Wool Morning Salutation. It's vegan yarn. This truly vegan yarn combines fine cotton with lyocell, which is made from wood waste in a closed circuit. Lyocell makes the yarn more absorbent than silk and has good cooling properties. It's colour number 17, 3 to 4 millimetre needles or hook, 30-degree wash, 110 metres, and which I would say is about 130 yards. And yeah, so it's 51% tencel and 49% cotton, and I got 2 of them, so I quite like them. I like them. It doesn't say what size yarn it is. I would say it was I would say it's a 3 weight, which is a DK here in the UK. So I got those, and then I treated myself to using my points. I got some of these cherry sweets because I absolutely love them. So yeah, so that's my yarn haul from Hobbii, and some stitch markers from Daniel at Paul Ply Yarns. So that's it from me for today. I want to welcome in all my new subscribers, all my new members, and also my existing members, subscribers. You make this all worthwhile with all your likes, comments, and I really do appreciate it. So if it's your first time here, welcome, and thank you so much for deciding to join my family, my YouTube family, and I hope to see you all again real soon. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you. Bye for now.